sobrang Greece. Boracay lang po kami.
Santorini ka.
Oh my
Santorini.
gosh, this is
Welcome to
so
our home.
wonderful. Look at this. The Miriam I knew. Alam niyo po, di ba, na nag-extra si Miriam after I left. The Miriam I knew. Alam niyo po, di ba, na nag-extra si Miriam after I left. It was Paulo and Miriam together right after you won. Right? So do you still remember this life?
Of course, I remember that life, pero it seemed like a totally different person. I had a different headspace. I had a different spiritual space. I was very prideful and young and ambitious.
What was the hardest thing about being a beauty queen?
Pressure.
Pressure, no?
Pressure to perform, pressure to always be at the top, pressure to always be beautiful. Lalo na, 1 year lang naman yung reign namin.
Oo.
Tapos every year, merong mga nananalo.
Yeah.
Umaabot dun sa point na kami na yung mga has-been. Kasi tumatanda na kami,
Oo.
50 years old na ako,
Yeah.
di ba? So if I remain to be vain and so full of myself, forever na lang akong insecure.
Uy, wow,
Diba?
galing nun ah. Oo. Pero nagdaan ka ba na sa pagkakataon na, wow, I wanna be like them. They go abroad, they wear, they're so fashionista, luxurious. Nagdaan ka ba dun, Miriam?
Nagdaan ako doon. So yung mga pangarap ko, to go to New York, be a model, be a Hollywood actress. Kaya yung mga
Nagdaan
pangarap-
din.
Ganun yung mga pangarap ko noon. Pero nung napangasawa ako ng Italiano, naging akong Italian princess, pero hindi naman din nagpasaya sa akin yun.